Hey now, Mike Shamon here, and I'm going to show you guys today how to change the logo in the Divi theme, how to change the logo and how to change the logo size in the Divi theme. So maybe you're on a page or maybe you upload your Divi theme and you don't know where to change this logo at. Usually it's the Divi logo. If you go to the back in Divi theme options and you scroll over General tab, it's the first thing, it says logo. You just hit upload and you upload your logo and you hit set as logo and it's uploaded there. So that's how you set your logo. Okay, now if you see your logo and it's different from the logo you have right here, it may be in a different spot. That spot would be in the theme builder. Okay, and you have a custom or a global footer or global header with your logo in it. That's going to be another spot you may change your logo at if you don't see it. Okay, you're also going to want to check and make sure that the page you're on isn't a blank page template or has the menu set in that particular page, because that'd be the only place you'd be able to change it. So this is basically like if you have a default logo, this is where you change it at, and this is how you resize it. So you place it into the theme options there. And now if you want to make changes, you just go over to theme customizer. Once you're in the theme customizer, you can navigate over to header navigation. All right, and this is where you're going to be able to make your changes to your logo and your menu header there and whatever else you want to do. Let's go to primary menu bar. Okay, and now you can change your menu height, and as you can see, that will change that. Okay, if you just can revert back if you get scared there. All right, and then you can change your logo max height. Now here's what I suggest you do. I suggest you put your logo max height on 100, okay, or on a bigger size. All right, and then you want to decrease your menu height. Okay, so as you can see, that's the smallest it's going to be. Okay, and we'll fix the scroll thing in just a minute too. All right, and then you can change your text size here for your menu. So get this set up to where you want it to be. Okay, and then figure out what you want your logo size to be. Okay, now if you put your logo max height down, it's going to be smaller. Okay, and if you put your menu height up, it's going to be more spacing there. Okay, so you can figure out what you want to do with that, but I usually just go high like that. You could just do make full width if you want to make it full width. I'm just going to go to publish, and we're going to come back in here and fix the sticky issue in just a second here. I just wanted to save that work that we already did in case we mess something up. We can go back. Alright, so now we'll figure out what's going on with that logo there and making it go smaller. So what you want to do is you just want to kind of remember these numbers. The menu height's 54, the logo max height's 100. Okay, so we just want to remember those numbers. You just want to go back, and then let's just go to fix navigation settings. Alright, and we're going to go over here to fix menu height, and it's going to go to 54. And as you can see, the logo has moved smaller. So what's the issue now? Oh wait a minute, is this 54? There, you see, look at that. I messed up and I put that on 56 instead of 54, and that was that little bit of spacing right there. So that's what it was. We'll go and set these back to 18. All right, so now we go to publish. All right, now if we scroll, we can see that our logo does not change size and everything's fine. All right guys, so that's how you change the Divi logo header and text size and everything like that. Go ahead and check out my other Divi tutorials, and I'll see you on the other side.